What's going on, guys? We're back at the channel. It's MoneyMarrowTech. Today, we go over the cases for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, stay tuned also for the full review on 26 Ultra. We used it for a couple weeks now, taking some notes, and I got some good news and some bad news on this phone, but a lot of it is going to be good, positive news on this phone. Also, stay tuned as well. I will be doing a full review on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro as well. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and go over some protections for the S26 Ultra. The first company I have right here is TONGATE. And don't be alarmed, all the cases here are all different. Just know that they all come in different colors, different variety and stuff. We got some kickstands, some built-in screen protectors, MagSafe rings, you name it. We're gonna do a full review of their lineup right now, so stay tuned. All right, guys, first case on the lineup is a TONGATE magnetic stand case. Now, before I get to the case, this one do come in 6 different colors. You get black, blue, green, orange, purple, and red. Price varies between $29 all the way up to $35, depending on the colors. Also, you get in the box a thank you card, and you do get a installation package for the screen protector, so you can clean the lens off, clean up your front of the screen, and put on a screen protector if you want to. If not, leave it back in the box and you're good to go. All right, let's go ahead and start on this case. Right here on the back, you do have a built-in MagSafe ring that doubles as a kickstand. So you put it down like so, angles that way, put it back, camera guard right here. Okay, protection, close it up. Nice, I like how secure that is when it sounds click. It sounds really good. Also, you can use your camera guard as well as a kickstand to give you a little more angle on the phone. All right, close it back up. None of the cover or the kickstand will move during shakeage, so it's going to stay locked in place. While we're back here, let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe, see if it works. It works just fine. And before I continue on the front, somebody asked me the other day how this work with wireless charging, power sharing. So real quick, let's go ahead and turn on power sharing. Let's go ahead and grab my Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And the answer is yes, it works just fine, okay? So let's go ahead and continue on the front. You have nice resistivity around the screen. So if you want to add a screen protector, you can. If not, you're good to go. Right here, cutouts, buttons, clicky. Bottom here, get your S Pen just fine. Speaker grill, Type-C. And I like how the phone has a nice little rugged design all the way around. Make it easy for you to grip on the angles and corners of the phone just fine. So that right there was your TONGATE magnetic stand case. TONGATE magnetic case with aluminum kickstand. Now this one here range from $23 to $26. Depending on the colors, you get black, blue, green, red, and orange. Also, before I continue on, you do get the same thing as the previous one. You get the thank you letter, screen protector, and the cleaning supplies in here as well if you choose to, put on a screen protector on the phone, okay? While we're on the back here, let's go ahead and test out the kickstand. Right here is aluminum, okay? It don't close when it's open. All right, nice little kickstand for that. And then when we're done with it, close it up. It don't open up when it's closed at all. It's good to know. Let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe ring. We're back here, put it down. There we go, we're charging up, works just fine. And then do wireless power share work, okay? Turn this around, grab my Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Heard a little beep for fashion, and yes, it is charging up just fine, okay? Put that down. Let's go ahead and turn this off. We're done with that. All right, from the front here, you have nice little resistivity. Okay, so if you want to add a screen protector, you can. If not, you're good to go. On the side here, you got them grips. Nice little hold on to it barely. Buttons, very clicky. On top here, cut out just fine. More little grooves on this side. You can get your S Pen just fine. Speaker grill just fine. Microphone, microphone and Type-C, just fine. So overall, not bad. Right here, price around $23, $26. This here was the magnetic case with aluminum kickstand. All right, guys, next up is a TONGATE camera cover case with a screen protector and a belt clip. Price of bad boys range from $36 to $43, depending on the colors. You got black, blue, green, purple, and red. All right. Now this here comes with a 2-frame option. You either do the frame without screen protector or with it. The choice is yours. You also get the belt clip, put on here like so. All right, this does rotate if you're wondering about that as well, but do not lock in place at all. All right, for the belt clip. Okay. Additionally, you get the cleaners wipes, warranty, and thank you letter as well. Let's go ahead and start from the back. Same concept as this case right here, which was the magnetic kickstand. Same concept, MagSafe here and here, camera guard. All right, so like so. Close it up, lock it up, kickstand, just like so. MagSafe will work. Yes, it does. What about wireless power sharing? Okay, let's go ahead and turn this around. Grab the Galaxy Buds. And yes, it does work just fine. And if I let go of it, obviously make sure I don't fall, but it does work without me pushing the pressure down on it, okay? Done with that, we're going to turn this off. Or here in the front of the screen. Nice little resivity in the front. The extra frame definitely give you more protection from the screen, give you more pressed up a little bit more. Cutouts on the top is fine. Bottom, get the S Pen, just fine. Speaker grill, Type-C charging port, just fine. Buttons, nice and clicky. This side is very empty, but nice little grooves on the side to hold onto the phone. So overall, not bad, okay? Right here was the TONGATE camera guard case, screen protector, and belt clip. All right, guys, next up is a new case for the series. This here is the TONGATE 360 spin magnetic stand case. Now this right here come in 5 different colors. You got black, green, orange, blue, and gold. All right, price varies between $31 to $36, okay? Same concept as the purple one I just did. We have the 2 frames. You either have the frame without the screen protector or the one with it, all right? Same concept for the extra accessories, cleaning supplies, and you also get the belt clamp as well, all right? Let's go ahead and start from the back. You have a nice little cutout around the camera. So it definitely pushed in, okay? So you can see right here an angle. It's not pushing out. It's just enough protection around the camera. Right here in the back, you have a MagSafe ring that worked just fine. And it also doubled as a kickstand, but it only does double the kickstand, it rotates. So if you want to get a little more angle, you can. So say you want to do a little bit more, go down a little bit more, you can. Let's say you want to stand up a little bit more, you do it this way. And then when you're done with it, just put it back, store it, okay? It don't move, it don't flop, it's staying in place, all right? Now, for protection all the way around, nice little grooves sides, all the way around, okay? That frame definitely gives you a little more protection around the screen. So you can see right here in the front, nice little protection resivity in front of the screen. Buttons, very clicky, very responsive. Cutouts, get your S Pen, just fine. Speaker grill, just fine. Type-C, just fine. Overall, not a bad case for a new case for this year. Here was a TONGATE 360 spinning magnetic case. All right, guys, so there you go. That right there was a lineup for the S26 Ultra by TONGATE, okay? Keep in mind, everything you see here, I will leave a link down in the description down below for easy access. Don't worry, it don't go to anybody else. It goes to the channel to help me out. Everything you see here was about my own money and review by me to show it to you guys to see which one might fit your need if you in the market for a case. Stay tuned for more case reviews for the S26 Ultra. Also stay tuned for the full review on the S26 Ultra as well. along with the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. All right, guys. So real quick, if I had to pick out of these 4 cases, which one would be my favorite? And I probably would have to go with this right here, the TONGATE magnetic case aluminum kickstand. I don't know, but this one here just fit just right, okay? All of them are great cases, but if I had to pick one, this one here was my top pick. My second runner-up would have to be the 360 rotation MagSafe ring. That was clutch. I like the double frames and stuff, but overall, these cases are amazing. I will leave a link down below, guys, to pick it up. I am MoneyMarrowTech. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to leave it down in the bottom. See you guys next time. Peace.